Although money cannot buy you happiness, it can bring a sense of security if you manage your money right. Mo money, mo problems is better than no money, mo problems, right? Well, how would you feel if we interest you in mo money, no problems? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Financial literacy is the ability to manage your finances, which entails learning how to manage your finances wisely, including how to pay your bills, borrow money, save money, invest, and prepare for retirement. So fellas, wear a seatbelt because we're here to give you a ride on the most exciting roller coaster of all time for managing money wisely. Money management is a personal talent that you develop over the course of your life and is not something that everyone learns. It can be difficult to regularly make wise decisions about significant purchases and investments when there is a dark cloud of debt, credit cards, and bills looming over you. Cutting out spending on the items you don't need is a simple way to start saving money. Right now, go into your refrigerator and see all those unnecessary spends on food about to go in the bin. Obviously, this applies to everything, not just your food, so only buy what you truly need. The second option is to open a savings account and make a little deposit each month. Saving money is similar to dieting in that you initially think it's hard, but the final result is nothing less than a huge fat treat. 1. Practice self-control. Pay with cash, not credit. If you're lucky, your parents instilled in you the virtue of restraint when you were little. If not, remember that the sooner you develop the crucial life skill of holding off on satisfying your desires, the sooner you'll maintain your own finances as a matter of habit. Well, you can use a debit card rather than a credit card for all regular purchases. If you develop the risky behavior of putting all of your purchases on credit cards, you risk not only paying interest on products like a box of cereal or a pair of pants, but also perhaps still having to pay for them in 10 years' time. Credit cards are undoubtedly helpful. Some of them offer excellent benefits, and using them responsibly helps you increase your credit score. The key is to use them for your benefit rather than the lender's, who benefits from your bad habits of accruing interest-bearing balances. Only use credit cards in times of emergency and make sure you settle the balance in full when the bill comes. Best strategy is never to spend more on your credit card than exists on your debit card. 2. Learn to budget. Know where your money goes. You will comprehend the significance of two guidelines that every personal finance counselor keeps repeating once you have read a few personal finance books. Keep an eye on where your money is going at all times and avoid letting your spending exceed your income. Budgeting and making a personal spending plan to keep track of your income and expenses are the best ways to accomplish this. Realizing how much it costs to get coffee from a barista each morning over the course of a month might be a helpful wake-up call once you actually start keeping track of how much money you spend. Small adjustments to your regular expenses, like brewing coffee at home, are entirely within your control and can affect your financial condition just as much as a pay boost can, which is mostly out of your boss's hands. 3. Beware of bad advice. Educate yourself. People will discover ways to mismanage your money for you if you don't learn how to do it yourself. Some of them, such as social influencers looking to line their own pockets. Others may have the best of intentions but may not be entirely aware of your situation, such as relatives who offer general advice on the value of owning a home, even if the only way you could currently afford to do so would be taking out a dangerous high-rate mortgage. Take control of your financial future by reading a few fundamental books on personal finance, rather than relying on unqualified strangers for assistance. Some of these will be linked below in the description. If this sounds great, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Till then, adios.